Good morning. This is a WMLS News presenting updates on global warming and what it's like now. Global warming is affecting our planet faster than ever. All the greenhouse gases we release into the air are still trapping heat, making the weather more extreme and the ocean levels to rise. Animals are not able to adapt to the heating environment as fast as they need to, and a lot of lakes are burning up. All of the world is being affected by it. In the Arctic, we have intensely seen 30% decline in the polar bear population. As temperatures rise, the summers get longer. There is less time every year from when the bears wake up from hibernation and travel into the middle of the Arctic for the land to stay above water during the summer. During the time, they also have to find lots of food and manage to get there on the melting ice. Not only are the temperatures rising, but the algae under the ice is part of the food chain that leads to the polar bears. This makes the amount of food get less for the polar bears as the ice melts. In North America and Europe, Arctic temperatures rising affects the jet stream. And so the climate change in North America and Europe is affected deeply too. Because global warming affects weather, the U.S. is now facing more severe thunderstorms than before. In South America, the plants in Peru are trying to migrate to the Andes Mountains for the cool air that could support their existence. The problem is the plants can't move fast enough so that the species can continue. The melting of both poles, north and south, are also making global warming faster. Sadly, the ice that reflects the sun's heat back into space are melting, while the overflowing water growing in the seas and oceans are dangerously absorbing most of the heat from the sun. National Geographic says now humans have increased the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution. Changes this large have historically taken thousands of years, but are now happening over the course of decades. Luckily, there is a global warming pause, and the climate hasn't changed as much as everyone expected between 2002 and 2012. Governments are now demanding an explanation of the possible causes of this. This means that there is a little time to try to solve the problem of more time to try to solve the problem of global warming. Now, thank you very much for watching WMLS News. If you have anything you will want to tell us, then please do so. So long, news eyeballs. I'm done.